ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ గురించి మనము చదువుకుందాము. వాల్యూమ్ తగ్గిస్తా ఫస్ట్, ఎందుకంటే డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ సౌండ్స్ కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి. ఓకే, రైట్. కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్లో చదువుకుందాం. కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ ఆర్ ketone alcohols containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The last two elements are present in the same ratio as in water, that is 2:1. Carbohydrates means hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrates are polyhydroxy alcoholic compounds with at least 3 carbon atoms with a potentially active carbonyl group, which may either be an aldehyde or ketone group. Carbohydrates are among the first products to arise as a result of photosynthesis. They constitute a large portion of plant biomass and are responsible as cellulose for the rigid cellular framework and as starch for providing an important food reserve. Classification of carbohydrates: simple sugars, saccharides, polysaccharides, non-sugars, monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, bios, trios, C3H6O3, example glyceraldehyde, tetrose C4H8O4, example erythrose disaccharide, example sucrose, maltose, pentose C5H10O5, example arabinose, heptose, example glucoheptose, tetrasaccharide, example stachyose trisaccharide, example raffinose, raminose, hexose C6H12O6, example glucose. Monosaccharides can't be further hydrolyzed to simple sugars, triose, glyceraldehydes, tetrose, erythrose, pentose, ribose, hexose, glucose, fructose, heptoses, glucoheptose, disaccharides C12H22O11 on hydrolysis yields 2 molecules of monosaccharides, example sucrose, glucose plus fructose, maltose, glucose plus glucose. Trisaccharides C18H32O16 on hydrolysis yields 3 molecules of monosaccharides, example raffinose, glucose plus fructose plus galactose, raminose, plus ramnose plus galactose. Tetrasaccharides C24H42 O21 and hydrolysis yields 4 molecules of monosaccharides, example stachyose, glucose plus fructose plus galactose plus galactose. Polysaccharides C16H1005 N. On hydrolysis, it produces indefinite number of monosaccharides molecules called as glycans. Common polysaccharides of biological significance are starch, glycogen, animal starch, cellulose, inulin, starch, glucose units joined by alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 linkages, cellulose glucose units joined by beta 1,4 linkages. Important derivatives: gums and mucilages. Gums consists of calcium, potassium and magnesium salts of complex substances called polyuronides, and prolonged boiling with dilute acids the yields sugar and uronic acids, mucilages, sulfuric acid esters. Thank you. Isolation of carbohydrates continued in next video.